In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an engaging text reveal effect using masks in your favorite editing software. This is a fantastic technique to add a touch of professionalism and creativity to your projects, whether you're producing videos for social media, creating tutorials, or even just spicing up a personal project. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First up, we need to create a text layer. To do this, select the text tool, which is often represented by a T icon in most editing software. Click on your composition area to create a text layer and type in whatever phrase or sentence you wish to display. Once you've input your text, it's time to format it. Choose the font style that best fits your project's aesthetic, adjust the font size to ensure that it's clearly visible, and select a color that stands out against your background. Take your time here to make sure your text looks just right. Once you're satisfied with how the text appears, position it in your composition where you want the reveal effect to originate. Now, let's move on to crafting the mask. A mask is essentially a shape that will serve as a window to reveal your text in a dynamic way. To create this, make sure no layer is selected, or alternatively, you may have your text layer selected depending on how you wish to proceed. Then, choose your preferred shape tool from the toolbar. This could be a rectangle tool, an ellipse tool, or even the pen tool if you want a more custom shape. For instance, you could draw a rectangle that completely covers your text at the beginning. Imagine it like pulling back a curtain to reveal your text. It's all about how you want your final effect to look. If you choose to work directly on the text layer, simply select the text layer first, then use the pen or shape tool to draw your mask. This method ensures that the mask will only affect the text layer, giving you precise control over the effect. One crucial detail to pay attention to is the mask mode. In the mask properties, you'll see options like add or subtract. The key here is to select the correct mode based on how you want the reveal to manifest. If you're subtracting to reveal the text, make sure the mask is initially over the text and then moves away. Conversely, if you're adding, you'll want to ensure the mask reveals the text accordingly. And that's it. You've set up a simple yet powerful text reveal effect using masks. Feel free to experiment with different shapes and animation speeds to further enhance the effect. With practice, you'll be crafting compelling text animations in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!